Fox News contributor. Ultimately, people decide whether or not they want to be in those crowded situations that he was talking about. The good news for people throughout the Northeast is after a very cold winter, we're getting closer to outdoor dining when everybody seems to be much better about eating out.
So nice. And I know so many people that have been vaccinated here in New York. Our restaurants are not open at full capacity, but you can eat indoors here in New York, and obviously all the restaurants are putting tables out on the sidewalk if they have the space for it. I talked to a friend yesterday, and she said she got on the website to sign up for the vaccine through Walgreens.com, and she said you have to. She set her alarm for 6 a.m. She said.
It's amazing. You should not have, it should not be a question about eating indoors. Those people in restaurants probably collapsed.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right.